Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm glad to have you here again. This is JAMB Biology 27th, and the question goes thus: which of the following group of animals can withstand the rigor of the arid land? Okay, we're talking about a region that is characterized by severe lack of available water, to the extent of hindering or preventing the growth and development of plant and animals. Okay, this sort of environment are subject to arid climates, which tend to lead to lack of vegetation. But despite the lack of water, plants and animals still find ways to survive in this climate. Okay, so let us take a look at the options to know which of the group of animals that can withstand the rigor of this arid land. Option A, we have locust, camel, lizard and snake. All of these given animals could withstand the rigor of the arid land. For locusts can be found in the desert, camels can live in desert actually, lizards live in desert, forests, and some of these live in some other type of habitat. Okay, the snakes also could be found in many habitats including water, forests, and obviously in the desert. Okay, so this answer option is a perfect complete option for a group of animals that can withstand the rigor of arid land. But let's take a look at the other given option. Option B, monkey, chameleon, earthworm and grasshopper. For earthworm cannot withstand the rigor of the arid land because it can be found in a humid environment. So earthworm makes this option a wrong option. Okay, option C, monkeys, grasshopper, snail and snakes. Obviously all of these animals could be found in arid region, but for a snail, snails cannot be found, although snails also has the adaptability to be able to go into hibernation when there are dry periods, in order to survive dry periods, but it needs a kind of humid environment to be able to survive. So this answer option 2 is wrong. Option D, lungfish, duck, butterfly and lizard. This animal, lungfish, duck, obviously lives in water, so they can't do without water, and the arid region always lack the availability of water. So this option is wrong. So answer option A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.